Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today I have kind of a two-part video. So we got some Bauer drill bits that we're going to be trying out, and we are going to be installing these teeth onto the bucket of my Chinese AGT Industrial mini skid steer. I figure that these teeth will give me a little bit more bite when I'm dealing with some hard packed clay like I have around here. So I'm really excited to see if this will give me a little bit more leverage, put a little bit more of my power into these small teeth rather than this big wide blade. My bucket width is about 44 inches, give or take. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces in between. So we're going to do 44 inches divided by 4 to figure out how much space you want in between each tooth. The 44 divided by 4 is 11 inches. We're going to do 11 inches. There's 11. This one's going to be 22. 11. This one's going to be 33. My layout's going to look something like that, and I think it's going to work wonderfully. These are the bolts and nuts that came with the teeth. Oh, beautiful display. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Let's see. How's that going to line up with the bolt? It is the smallest one, but let's see. This should be my 9/16. Well, it's what I got. I'm going to be drilling 9/16 holes today. It's just what I got. Now I got some oil here we're going to be using as lubricant, and hopefully that helps preserve the bit because I only have one. And I don't really want to go to the bigger size because this one is big enough already. Getting started. Here we go. It's going to be hard. Well, let's see if we can give the machine some helpful words of encouragement that'll keep it from dancing around. Okay, round 2, we're going to try on this spot. This might work. Hole number 1, I'll be. Will you believe that? We made it through. I'm going to need a lot more batteries, but I think we're looking good. Find hole number 2, where I put that indentation. Oh, this one's going to be a hard one. Come on. We're in business now. My very first 2 done. Wish me luck. I think you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. I'm going to save on my camera battery, and I think I'm going to put it down for a moment and drill a few more. See how that goes. I'll probably get a couple shots here and there. Well, I got this one drilled. This one's a little bit off, so I'm going to have to kind of get the hole more over here. And then I got this one almost drilled through, and I'm got to let my batteries charge. Oh no, that did it. I'm just playing this game of chasing batteries on the charger, and hopefully we can get 3 on tonight. I'll be happy with that. I'd love to get all 5, but I don't know. Well, there you have it. Feast your eyes on that there bucket. New and improved with the teeth. We're going to be digging into some good stuff now. And I'm really excited to try it out. So, well, we ought to try this out and see how it works. So I got to pick this all up and move some things, and we'll see how it goes. Well, yeah, I hope you like watching this video. I think it works a lot better. I think I'll have a lot more digging capabilities on that hard clay now. Just from what I did there, I'm able to get under it and loosen it up. I can't take ginormous scoops, but I can definitely go and layer it better than I was able to before. So I do think these teeth are going to help out. I can't really go too aggressive here. I don't want to go much lower where I'm at. I'll move some things around over there. I'll play with this in the next coming days, and I'll probably make another video on it for you so you can see exactly, maybe I'll get better, maybe there's a little finesse with the teeth, and I'll figure it out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. I'll answer those when I can. And if you'd like to check out a link to the teeth that I put on today, I will leave that in the description, so you're more than welcome to check that out if you'd like. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.